Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's say now you have your course content topic validated. You're sure exactly what you want to monetize with your with your online course and all of that. Now the question is, how do you create that perfect name for your online course such that people are buying from you and that nobody is actually disgusted by the course title or they are repelled by your course title? That's the whole essence of today's video. Today I will share with you some strategies for you to deploy to get your online course name perfectly. I'll share some types of online course names such that it can trigger you to also think of the name to give your own online course. My question for you as usual is, are you ready to learn? If you're ready, I am ready to teach. Come with me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, your home as a thought leader who wants to learn how to build a profitable personal brand, how to monetize their knowledge with digital products, and also how to create online sales funnels, right? This is your home as a thought leader. So you are a speaker, a trainer, a consultant, a coach, an author. This is your home. My name is Temi Ajibewa, aka the Electric Temi. I am Africa's most influential personal branding expert and business coach for coaches. So now let's get on to today's class, the perfect name for your online course. How do you ensure that you get the perfect name for your online course? How do you ensure that the name you choose attracts buyers and does not repel buyers? Because hey, your course name can make or mar you. Oh, trust me. Your course name can be the difference between if they would buy or they will sell. And I'll give you a very personal experience. I remember some years ago when I was writing my first book, I had this framework in my head. I called it, on how to find your perfect business idea. I called this book then. Okay, before I tell you what I called it, I'll tell you what was inside the book. I said you had to do a retrospective thinking, to come up with your business idea. I said, think about the past. What did you do so well? And things like that. Then your introspective reasoning. That means think of yourself, your passion, your talents, your skills and things like that. And I said your prospective reasoning. So think about people outside in the future. What's your business model future like? What's your ideal customer like? So basically it was retrospective, introspective, and prospective reasoning. That was the framework, right? I now titled the book R.I.P. Reasoning. Oh my goodness. R.I.P. I think I should find the book cover and share with you guys. No, you guys need to see that book. R.I.P. Reasoning with this red, thing. Nobody bought, even as a free download. Nobody took the offer. Until, guess what? I changed the title to simply, what business do I start? And it was then I got buyers for this book. Can you see the difference? So really, your title can make or mar you. And I have this book available on my website, www.temiajibewa.com/books. Just put books, BOOKS. You will get a copy of this book, right? And I had to now break it down, make it simple. It's not, so I removed the whole retrospective intro. It became a workbook and people so enjoy the book now, right? So a topic can really make or mar your product. So let's go on to those hacks I have for you. Number one is your book title easy to remember? Yes. Can people just say, oh, that's the course title. Oh, what business do I start? Oh, yeah, online course sold out. Oh, webinar sold out. Highly paid coach bundle. And they will not be confused. Okay? The business of your brand program. Oh, personal branding course for leaders. Those are, easy to remember. They will not be confused trying to hit their head on the rock to remember. Number 2, is it easy to say out loud? Saying it out loud, is it easy? Okay, so say it on your own. Roll it on your tongue over and over and over and see if indeed it is easy to say out loud. Then ask your friends, ask people around. Just now, I was deciding on a masterclass training and I had to ask my videographer here, Samuel. Samuel, say hi. Hi. Just say hi. Hi. And then he told me, no, the first one. So if you get confused about the name, just ask people. Just give them options. 2, 3 options, please. Don't overwhelm people with options. 2, 3 and say this, and they can help you choose which one is easy for them to say out loud or to remember. Number 3 is the name interesting? I have a new book. I called it Your Faith Has Made You Broke. People raise their eyebrows when they hear that title. And I'm sure you cannot forget it. Your faith has made you broke. What? It's not made you whole. No, this one made you broke. Your faith made you broke. It's interesting. It catches your fancy. So one of my new course is personal branding course for leaders. Oh, personal branding course. It's just so simple. But hey, it's for leaders, right? It's interesting. So the business of your brand. You mean my brand has a business? Okay, not the brand of the business. No. The business of your brand, your personal brand. Makes sense, right? Or what business do I start? It's just a no-brainer. What business do I start? Right, so that's it. Then is it creative? Like Your Faith Has Made You Broke, And I have a book also, How to Make Millions Doing What You Love. Yeah? Or How to Make Millions in Your Nightgown. These are my books, okay? Now, so, is it creative? So look for something creative that people will remember and it's easy for them to say out loud. Number 5 is, does it tell your potential buyer what the course is about? At first glance, can they see it? So with this book now, what business do I start? You can say, oh, it's a question. What business do I start? An easy to follow guide on finding the perfect business for you. I have a new book as well. So me, I'm a writer. So it's self-transformation. A 30-day guide on how to transform your mind and become your best self, right? This is one of my books. I have another book again. Right, on mentoring, a millennial's guide to mentoring, right? So all of these are ways for you to tell if it can tell. So in my own case, for example, I say a millennial's guide to mentoring. You can see what the book is meant for. For millennials who want to learn about mentoring, right? Personal branding course for leaders. I've already said it, for leaders, right? So basically, from the course who the potential buyers are. Number 6 is, will it resonate with your ideal audience? So ask them that if you're this, your ideal client, will this course title resonate with you? That's it. And you say yes or a no. And please don't be emotional about your course title. I could have sworn that God gave me the title RIP Reasoning. No jokes. Like I can say, no. The Spirit gave me the title RIP Reasoning, but the market rejected one thing. Oh my goodness. So please don't be emotionally attached to your title. Be fluid. Listen to your audience, those that will pay you for it. It's more important that they buy it and learn from the course and pay you than for you to have a pretty name in your head that nobody is willing to buy. Yes or yes? Yes. So, types of online course names you should be familiar with. And I learned this from Amy Porterfield. Talked about number 1 type could be result in the title. For example, 7 keys to position yourself for success. That's the result is right inside the title. Number 2 could be hyper-specific result. I have a course, License to Print Money. How to write, publish, and profit from ebooks. Do you see? That's a specific title. Or how to launch a multi-million coaching business. Right? That's a hyper-specific result. Then it could be the journey title. such as I have a course titled The Millionaire Housewife Blueprints. It's giving, a journey. I also have another course, an A to Z of building a sales funnel. It teaches you the whole process. Or it could be how to build your email list from scratch. That's also what? A journey title. Yes, I have over 100 online courses. And you can use the link below to see my online course bundles, where you will see my shop, and you'll be able to get lots and lots of and see my courses, my topics, how I put my titles, and you can learn from there as well. Yes, I'm good at what I do, so yes, you can learn from me. It's safe to learn from me, okay? I've done this over and over. 8 years is not a joke, right? So then we also have the signature title, where you can say, oh, the business of speaking. That's a signature title. Or sales funnel mastery. That's like, a signature thingy, right? You can say online course sold out, or digital products factory, right? Those are like signature titles, right? So I think the final one here is what she called "It Is What It Is" title. For example, the art and science of goal setting. That's what it is. The art and science of goal setting, right? Or you could say, master your money game. Grow your business course. That is simple. It's for what? For you to grow your business. Can you see? So I've shared 5 of them with you now. Results in the title, hyper-specific results, the journey title, a signature title, and it is what it is title. I have a course, a masterclass. It's a free masterclass on how to create and sell digital products without the tech confusion or crazy overwhelm. The link is below this video. You should watch that masterclass, okay? And also, there's a link to book a call with me, a one-on-one private session with me to pick my brain on your business and your brand building or digital products business, okay? I'd love to connect with you. So yes, I'm on Instagram as Temi Ajibewa. Till I see you in my next video, take care and go and crush that your online course topic, right? Bye for now.